In this video, I'm going to show you how you can type over the existing text in Microsoft Word. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you have a text or paragraphs on your Microsoft Word document and you'd like to go ahead and add additional text or paragraphs, it's pretty simple. Just go ahead and using your cursor, click on the place you want to add the text. For instance, if you want to add extra text here, just go ahead and click here and you should see the cursor will start blinking at that particular location. Go ahead and add the text like that. And as you can see, this text has been added between this sentence. Alternatively, if you want to go ahead and add text just after the last word, for instance here, go ahead and click on the last word and then press on the enter key on your keyboard and then go ahead and add the additional text that you want. Or if you have copied it, you can now paste that additional text just next to this and it will be added. You can go ahead and add the extra text as you wish, and that's how you can type over the existing text in Microsoft Word document. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.